The love of God is not just a feeling, it's a force, a love so powerful it created the universe, a love so deep it reaches into the hearts of every person, calling you by name. This love is not earned, it's given freely, unconditionally. In the darkest of time, God's love shines brightest. He loved us so much that He chose to die for us, not because we were worthy, but because His love is greater than our sin. Jesus went to the cross not for the perfect, not for the deserving, but for you, for me, for all of us, broken and lost. When you face trial, when you feel lost, when you feel unloved, God's love is there. It doesn't waver, it doesn't fail, it doesn't end, it's unstoppable. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. The Creator of the universe knows your name, and He loves you with a love that will never let you go. This love isn't just something to receive, it's something to share. When you realize how deeply God loves you, it changes you, it empowers you, it moves you to love others, to be the hands and feet of His mercy and grace. The love of God gives you strength to stand tall when the world tries to knock you down. It gives you hope when the future looks uncertain. It gives you purpose when life feels aimless. You are loved. You are chosen. You are priceless. And nothing can separate you from that love. No fear, no failure, no darkness. God's love is unstoppable. So walk in that love today. Live in it. Let it fuel every step. Because when you embrace the love of God, nothing is impossible. You are loved by the Creator, God the Father, unstoppable forever.